Are you struggling to style your natural hair? This is a quick and easy protective style you can have in your hair for less than 5 minutes. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. My channel is about hair care, skincare and beauty tips. And if this is your first time here, I do appreciate you. Please support your girl by subscribing and liking my videos and also turning on that notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first one to get notified, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed by my tips and guides to a more beauty for you. So today I'm just going to show you a simple and a easy protective style you can do on your hair for less than 5 minutes. So you just want to go ahead and part your hair in two sections. Then you want to go ahead and part in the front one in the middle. Then you want to go ahead and take any gel of your choice and apply it on your edges. Then you want to go ahead and braid the sections in front, just the way I'm doing. Then you also want to do the same on the other side. So you want to take gel, any gel of your choice. Then you want to apply it on your edges. This one helps to slick the hair down. Then you want to take brush, any hair brush. Then you want to brush your hair with. This one also helps to slick down the hair. Then you want to go ahead and braid this other side also. Then you want to go ahead and further slick your hair or brush your hair just to avoid it getting detangled. And then you want to go ahead and add more gel at the back of your hair. Depending on your hair type, you might need the gel or you might not need the gel. If you have a longer hair, you actually won't need the gel. Then you want to take them all together and put them in the hairband. Take the other side of the braided, the ones that you've just braided, and put them all together in the hairband. You don't want to actually tie your hair so tight, otherwise you're going to damage the ends of your hair. Then after this, if you have a very long hair, you can just go ahead and tuck them in. But because I don't have a long hair and this is a protective style, I'm just going to actually part my hair in section in the middle. Then I'm going to braid the other side and also braid this other side. I don't know if you're getting it clear. because it's a protective style. I will actually have it for some few days before I change it. So you want to make sure your hair is protected, so that's why I am actually braiding it. But if you have a very long hair, you can actually go ahead and tuck it in. Then you want to take a rubber band, then you hold the two braided hair together, and your hair will be like this. You can leave it that way, but you can go ahead and further actually tuck your hair in, just for it to look a little bit much more better. So you tuck the braided ones in, then you take the bobby pin and actually put them all together, and you will have a very beautiful bun. Then you want to go ahead and slick this gel so your hair can look much better. So you can take a satin bonnet or anything else you can slick your hair with. So I'm still going ahead and brushing my hair just to make sure the gel is more slick on my hair. Then you want to leave this for 5 minutes or more, depending on your hair, how long it takes for the gel to actually slick down. And this is how it came out, looking like more slicked, and it looked so beautiful. I believe your hair is going to come out looking differently depending on your hair type, but I really love this hairstyle because it's just so easy and very quick to do on your hair. Go ahead and try this on your hair, and I would really love to hear from you. Please leave a comment on the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscription box below. Till next time, bye bye.